Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey of a product using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin to evaluate the customer effort on the product. Consider that I am a software developer, and I want to understand how easy it is to use my software product of a normal user through an online survey. In this video, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Number 1. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Survey or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just going to skip those and click on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any add-on feature, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one to ask our customers about the customer support of a product. After entering the question, let's choose the type of question on the right-hand side. There are about 15 question types, which we could select based on our question's nature. Currently, I am taking the multiple choice type question here, based on the nature of my question. Let's add the options to select. I'm marking the question as required so that the question can't be skipped. You can skip this step if you think that an answer to your question is not required. Then, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab, or click on the Duplicate button at the top of the Questions page to duplicate the same type of question. In the second question, I want to know how long the customer have been with us. I'm selecting the multiple choice type question here, and let's fill in some options. Once done, click on Save Question. Let's move on to the next question. Now, here I want to check for any possible improvements from the user perspective. I'm selecting this as a paragraph type question so that the user can reply in detail. Coming to the last question, I want to check how easy it is for the user to create what they have been looking for using my software. I'm selecting the horizontal multiple choice type question so that our users can select the suitable answer amongst the given choices. Then click on Save Question. Alright, all the questions are saved. I want to see who's responding so that I could understand better and avoid any errors in my data. For that, I'm setting up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Let's add another contact field to take the date of submission. Let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Let's select the Use For section and select Business there. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Let's do a quick preview of our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the Customer Effort Score survey, and it works just right. That's all for this video. Let us know in the comments below how do you plan to use QSM plugin. Until next time, stay safe, bye-bye!